Hello everybody out there in YouTube land. So today I am going to show you how to remove the windshield wiper blade on the rear windshield wiper blade on a 2015 Chevy Sonic. So you come to the back here and you pull it up a little bit, you grab the blade, and then you grab the blade like this, and you pull to the side, to the left, and it'll unclick, and then all you got to do is pull it a little more and push down on the arm, and it comes right off. So it's nice and easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So a couple tips are, make sure you have it pulled away from the window before you try pulling it, and don't pull here on the edge and that. There's a chance you can break it. It's the best idea to make sure you grab it right in the middle above where the arm is, like this, and then pull to the left. And that makes it come off the easiest. So, in the comments below, let me know if you guys have any questions on the process. This is how you remove the rear windshield wiper blade on a 2015 Chevy Sonic. In the comments below, let me know if you guys have any questions on the process. Hit that like button and subscribe. It helps us out. I'll see you guys later.